Morning, Simpiwe, and warm welcome. Well, we're still looking at Kids Beach. It is a beautiful place. I mean, just standing here, there's so much you can do, mainly for me, taking beautiful pictures of clouds because I really love looking at the sky and just spotting the types of clouds that they are. And look at that. It is awesome, and you can see your beach as well. It is a beautiful place, and it is a resting area. Again, it is an awesome place to be. If you do not know this place, I think it is one of those areas you can go and visit. Now, I've been looking around and I saw this primary school. I mean, it looks like a house, and I was like, maybe it is very good for the young ones, like, to be in a school like this where it looks like a home, because you don't feel like you are away from home. Then you feel at home already, and you can see a whole lot of play area in there and a whole lot of activities. And there goes one right there, busy playing at school. And it is an awesome place. Kids Beach, it is called Kids Place, Kids Beach. It is beautiful. I mean, I love the area, and I'd really love to be in this area. Now, looking at your weather details, we're still seeing clear skies from today all the way to Monday. But on Tuesday, remember that intense cold front making landfall over Western Cape is going to affect us, dropping our temperatures to 17 degrees in Johannesburg, 20 in Pretoria on Wednesday, dropping to 15, and in Pretoria at 17 degrees. Your night temperatures were single digits, and it is getting very cold. 22 for Bronkhortspruit and Vereeniging, Johannesburg at 21 for today. In Limpopo, we'll see few clouds, 26 in Giyani, 24 for Burgersfort, with Bela sitting at a maximum of 25. 26 for tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, sunny on Monday and Tuesday. Going to Wednesday, we're seeing a maximum of 19 degrees. Remember, they're also affected by that cold front. Skukuza at 32 for today, Mbombela at 23. Over the interior, we are expecting morning fog patches, possibilities of drizzle. Leidenburg at 22 and Standerton at a maximum of 21 degrees. 25 for tomorrow, and going to Tuesday, we are expecting very isolated showers on Wednesday, dropping to 17 degrees. In KwaZulu-Natal, Durban is at 26, 27 for Pietermaritzburg, with Kokstad sitting at 21 degrees. Currently, over Durban, it is cloudy. And this is the kind of weather we are expecting for today. A partly cloudy day on Tuesday, maximum of 21 with isolated showers. Going to Wednesday, Port Elizabeth at 22 and 23 in Makanda. Over the interior, we are seeing mild conditions. Aliwal North at a maximum of 20. Few clouds will be seen, but we're really not expecting a lot to happen in these areas. Currently, our camera is shaking due to some strong winds blowing along the coastal areas. For tomorrow, we'll see a maximum of 25. Cloudy skies today, partly cloudy. On Monday, 30% chance of showers. Remember that cold front. Going to Tuesday, dropping to 15 degrees with 60% chance of showers. Then everything starts to change back on Wednesday with a maximum of 20 with clear skies. 26 in Beaufort West, Oudtshoorn at 27. The city of Cape Town at 23. Vredendal, you are at 28 degrees. We are waiting for that beautiful sunrise, but these are the conditions we're expecting for today. Partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, 60% chance of showers, up to 80% chance of showers on Monday with a maximum of 18 degrees. So it is quite intense. And we're also seeing 17 going to Tuesday with isolated showers. Snowfall is also expected, but not lots of it over the high-lying areas of Western Cape, going to Eastern Cape, to some parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Kimberley at 24 with Kuruman at 22 degrees. Carnarvon, you are at a maximum of 25 degrees. For tomorrow, 23 is forecast. Look at those negative numbers on Monday, going to Tuesday, -5 at night. That is quite intense. -7 going to Wednesday. So please do take note of that and do consider those numbers and have all your woolies out, because we really need them this time of the year. Bethlehem at 19 degrees, 23 for Welkom. Bothaville, Sasolburg, you are at a maximum of 22 degrees. For tomorrow, we're going to see a maximum of 21. And look at the night temperatures, 2s, 1s, -4, then -6 in Bloemfontein. Yes, you know, the Free State is also known to be very cold. So it is going to happen in the next coming week. So please do take note of that. 22 for Lichtenburg, 25 for Rustenburg. Reinek, you are at 23. Your next coming 5 days, we're seeing 23 for tomorrow. And on Tuesday, going to Wednesday, we're seeing 16 to 17 degrees. And your night temperatures, 2s going to 0s. Well, that is all from the weather desk. Ndawo Yendo.